Hello everyone, welcome in this channel, and in this video I am Dr. Prasad talking to you about blood. This is first question asked in Viva, and you may want to know what is blood. So blood is, in this video we will learn about composition and definition and composition of blood. So blood definition, blood is a living connective tissue. You must say living connective tissue in fluid state and clots when outside blood vessel. When it comes outside from blood vessels and heart, a blood clots. The average blood volume is 5 liters, range is 5 to 6 liters, and consists of fluid and cellular portion. Fluid portion is known as plasma and cellular portion are cells present in the blood, that is also known as form elements of blood. Plasma is the fluid portion of blood. Blood consists of two parts, that is plasma and form elements of blood. The liquid portion of the blood is known as plasma. Plasma constitutes 55% of the total blood volume. It is clear, light yellow color fluid due to presence of bilirubin, hemoglobin and transferrin. The color of plasma vary in abnormal condition. When it is different from clear light yellow color, then you may think about this plasma is pathological. Composition of plasma. Now composition of plasma. Water is 91% and solids 9%. The solid substances are inorganic substances that consist of sodium, potassium, calcium, bicarbonate, chloride, phosphate and iron in ionic form. They are in ionic form. Then organic form. Organic substances in which plasma protein is most abundant, that is 7%, and non-protein nitrogen substances like enzymes are 1%. So this is about plasma. And now coming to second part of blood, that is form elements of blood, is 45%. 45% of blood is contains form elements of blood. There are three types of form elements of blood, that is red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes, white blood cells, also known as leukocytes, and platelets, that is thrombocytes. This is about blood, definition of blood, composition of blood and composition of plasma. So thank you very much for watching. In another class we will learn about functions of blood. Thank you very much.